What's up guys, waan salaamay waxaan ku suganahay magaalada Nairobi caawa waxaan ku joognaa KICC oo ah xarunta shirarka ugu caansan magaalada Nairobi oo caawa ka qayb galayo xafladda Somali Glamour Awards oo maanta aan filayo insha Allah lagu guddoonsiiyo jaa'isadda the best vlogger of the year oo maanta lagu casuumay eventigan waxaan rajaynayaa insha Allah inay jaa'isaddaas aan ku guuleysto insha Allah. Thank you for your voting insha Allah wa arkayna si wax dhacdana. My niece, come here Mona. Marsho wanaagsan isbar dadka.
Hello, I'm Mona from the UK.
She came all the way from the UK just to support me. aad iyo aad buu faraxsanahay waxaan rajaynayaa insha Allah eventigan oo noqdo event aad u qurux badan. Marka we are in Kenya actually vlogging for the first time. I'm so excited. It's her first time too. How do you think?
It's good. It's so beautiful. Like better than London. I'm sorry, London guys.
Better than Dubai.
Yeah.
Exactly. هذا ولي ما نقلين وقلنا إن شاء الله. Yeah. Hi Moses. Say hi to the YouTube by the way.
Yeah, Daman waku salam is hibki.
Hiya.
Channel.
I'm good ما شاء الله. Hiya. Event كوتشك سمعها. عودكم يسيسي.
Yes.
عاد عز ما دام متلسك.
قمر every day.
إن شاء الله. Hopefully we'll win.
Yes.
Yeah,
you are here to win.
Exactly.
Vlogger of the Year award, sorry, and this will be given by Farhia, Senator Farhia. Senator Farhia, Samahani. A coffee for Senator Farhia as she comes to you.
The Vlogger of the Year award goes to Mukhtar Noor.
God bless you, bro. How was the video?
Oh, mashallah, I cried a little bit, but it's okay now. You know, they dried up. Huh? It's okay.
mashallah, waxay noo tahay guul bay noo tahay. aad baan kugu hambalyeynaya Mukhtar shaqada meesha ka sii wad shaqo culus baad wadaa waxaan aad u mahadcelinayaa organizers of Somali Glamour Awards. It was a good competition.
The one and only Mahat. You صاحبتي Somali actor waxa weeye legends ما شاء الله.
abtini ka muqdisho kama iman Mareykanka baa soo cadeeyay. أنا إيمانا نفسي كنا صوص طبعا تاجرنا صوت مختار نور وسلامنا برضو واحد بدل مختار نور صوت إن شاء الله سومال رأكل نور طبعا إن شاء الله إن شاء الله ما سنتي.
Congratulations for coming all the way and winning the vlog of the year. You are a legend. Mukhtar is a legend. Keep spreading the message. Keep taking nice photos of everywhere. Keep promoting the Somali name. And here in Kenya we're saying all the best to you guys.
Thank you.
Wish you peaceful for Somalia.
Congratulations. Welcome Balena.
Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. Nice.
ما شاء الله محك لدين تروفيا.
wax badan baan jeclaa inaad la soo gaartid dhulkii baa caawin xasuusisay ayl baan nageysay meesha buurtada hadda ka hor waan daawaday caawin oo noogu socodisay meel fagaara Allah ku barakeeyo Allah ku barakeeyo cimri dheer iyo cibaado soo Allah waan salaamaya calaya like-ta share-ta subscribe-ka inta way Allah insha Allah Mukhtar waa dal dhisaa Soomaaliya oo dhan ma aha gobol kaliya.
Welcome to the vlog. Finally. MashaAllah, I'm so happy. Tonight we won the trophy. I'm so happy.
We won
رجع برنامجك سوق مقابي قروح للبضن وهذا بريا Dala!
Yo, what's good, my brother?
Finally in the vlog, my friend.
Man, best vlogger in East Africa.
MashaAllah.
Somalia, East Africa, man.
Thank you so much.
Keep the good work, brother. Thank you so much. Good fun now. I have next year.
So what do you think?
Jamani, na timu yako ni
It's so beautiful here, guys. I absolutely love you guys.
guys. I've met all the fans, and they've been nothing but sweet. Thank you guys so much for being so nice.
Yeah.
Yo people, this is MC Headboy and you are hanging out with the best organizer. Stick around for next year!
Daman Mahad Senate for voting for Sahib K Mukhtar Nul. Till next time, how do you say goodbye in Somali? Goodbye.
Nabade. Nabade.
Nabade.
Nabade. استغفر الله العظيم. السلام عليكم. I cannot vlog. Anyways guys, today we're so excited to explore Nairobi, so nala socda. Boom! قلب ونكس أصحابته maanta waxaan joogaa GB Carton baa maanta sameynaya. Alaabtaas aan gali doonaa mar dhow insha Allah. Let's hope that I will win insha Allah. Shout out to Ikran, she's the one who brought me here. You were what? Second?
Third.
Third?
Yes.
Okay. Not bad for the first time.
Yeah. She should have just overtaken them.
Right?
Yes.
That's it.
Let's pull it down.
Pull up.
Mukhtar, tunasema karibu Kenya ndugu yangu. Nairobi. Tunakupenda majamaa. Huyu ni mwenzetu ambaye anafanya mambo ya videography kutoka Somalia, Garowe. The best vlogger. The baddest and best vlogger from East Africa. The only vlogger, the Somali guy.
Ready?
No, I'm not ready. I'm so scared. Look at this. It looks like the crown. If you guys speak Somali, it looks like the crown. Like actual the crown. Oh my god.
حصل سيني يا ميا.
Yep. أفكار الله صار يا. حصل عرب كسر ما لبسنا يا الله يا.
Yay. Wow.
Should we go closer, guys? Oh my god.
Let's do it.
Come on, Brave Upti. You gotta do it.
That's why I don't even have
I can't believe you did it.
Damn.
Not a point of being scared of someone's tongue on me, to be honest.
Yeah.
But my girl here, she was putting it in her mouth and letting me take it out of her mouth. You see that?
I know, she was making out with it.
Nuts.
Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm running for the hills now.
Wanna do it? So little.
Listen.
Come on. Come on. Muna. Muna ila hadda way ka baqday. Muna, she didn't do it. Okay.
You're brave, girl.
Come on.
I ain't touching that. No.
Okay, cause yeah. Throw it. Yeah, exactly.
Because when you touch the lips, you have to be careful.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
One eternity later.
No, wait.
Come on. Ah, nice. Look at that. It's easy. Hey, udah way sanka udah. I'm gonna. Dimana wadah kasih kantor tak kebakan. Ah, okay. Look at that. Oh shit. Another one. Oh yeah. Try. I see. I don't know.
Yeah. So it was good. Tell me. First time being in Giraffe Center. How was that? I've been in Nairobi like 20 years. nolosheenina ma soo gaarin
صح aad iyo aad baan u faraxsanahay maanta waxa way qosol iyo damaashaad iyo waxa ka dhacay iyo pranks
ani kaliya way gaatay wallahi that's not possible man qasab waay waana dadka kale u raadiyay chance
videogan daawada videogan
For a picture.
portrait
dan nyuma ko bro Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude.
You deserved it.
Yeah? How does it feel like?
Yeah.
To be pranked?
Wallahi billah. Miskiin waana qasab. Waana idinka arsada.
Giraffe Center waa shidnaa dad badan oo aad u cabsanaya maanta la muujiyay. Ma garatay?
Aha.
Until next time, inshallah.
Yeah.
Harana, goodbye. Kwaheri. See you tomorrow. Kish.
Tuonane kesho.